well, as you can see, guys. Yeah, Kyadondo is practically but full of water, and the water pumps are on the pitch right now, trying to drain it. Yeah, hopefully games will resume if the rains actually stop coming in. But as you can see, yeah, the games have been put on hold temporarily because the field now is unplayable. It's full of water, and yeah, the drainage. You can see the drainage. Yeah, all of them are full of water. So to you, the fan out there who's going to come and enjoy the games, please, do come with the raincoat. And, yeah, you can come in your garments because no shoes will save you. Yes, the head of organizing committee, Philip Kibaijani, is right there, as you can see, doing the needful. Yes, putting pressure to the guys with the water pumps. Yeah, so yeah, if they are up and running, this water will be sucked off the pitch, yeah, within some minutes. But the solution, I think, should be a rainmaker. We need a rainmaker. We have so far 2 games today. That is Cameroon picked up their win, and Cameroon played. So yeah, Cameroon actually, that was Cameroon played first, they won. Then we had another one. I'm forgetting, but so far we had 2 games. But now, there is a hold. That's the big man there, Philip Kibaijani. The head, doing all the needful, talking to the guys to do the needful. Yeah, and at the moment, I think the water pumps, or is it fuel? I don't know if it's fuel, but I don't think it's fuel. Yeah, but they are trying to fix them so that they start running and start sucking that water off the pitch into the trenches, which are also literally full, as you can see, because here ordinarily you could be seeing the stones all the way down, but it's full of water. Yeah, so okay, let us hope that they do work on it. Okay.